The thing that makes Virtue products so incredibly different is our incredible technology, Alpha Keratin 60KU. What it does is it goes in and really binds in all of that hair and all of those coils, making it stronger, giving it more elasticity, bringing back the shine, bringing back that luster, giving you that beautiful, youthful hair that we all want. Healthy, gorgeous hair starts with Alpha Keratin 60KU. Our moisture defining whip is such a lightweight formula, and it's a combination of our Alpha Keratin 60KU and nourishing oils, and they help hydrate, condition, define the hair. I just use about a golf size. I put it into the hair, and it brings out all of your natural texture, brings out that shine, brings out that bounce without weighing down your hair. It really provides an incredibly touchable texture that you're going to love. It's not like any mousse you've ever tried before.